Hi, this is Dr. Pete Bodkins. I want to talk to you today a little bit about the pros of Al-Anon. Al-Anon is important for family members who have lived with or been brought up by or have been exposed to an alcoholic in some manner, shape, or form. This can be at work, it can be at church, it can be an acquaintance growing up, it can be a parent. There's different levels of damage that's done by being on the merry-go-round of alcoholism or drug addiction. One of the things that happens is there's three basic rules. There's no trust, you can't feel, and you really can't be in a relationship that's very strong. If you're brought up in an alcoholic family, it's very, very difficult to be close, and it's difficult to trust people, because the ones that are supposed to be the closest to you have really betrayed you unintentionally. It's not that they're doing this on purpose. They have a disease and they're doing things that are beyond their control. They're still responsible though. The beauty of Al-Anon is it lays the groundwork for the reconstruction of the family. I've seen families that were very, very split, having all kinds of trouble, couldn't communicate. They'd either argue or withhold and not talk. They keep things inside, and then every once in a while there'd be an explosion and there'd be more harm done. And when you do this long enough, it gets to be very, very fixed. And there are times when families come in and the marriage is beyond repair. So treatment for the family is vital. A lot of times in my 52 years of dealing with alcoholics and addicts, I become more concerned about the mother, the father, the marriage, the sister, someone in the family who's been affected by the drinking, because it's very easy to develop symptoms such as overeating, gambling, inability to be in a strong relationship. A lot of times family members, if they have the genetics for addiction, they'll fall into it themselves, or they just might abuse alcohol or sometimes pot and get into that escape from all the pain, the fear and the anger and the guilt, the sadness, the depression that occurs normally in an alcoholic family. Or if you've been exposed to alcoholism, or if you've got a relative that's an alcoholic, that impacts the family system. So you will be affected. But Al-Anon puts you back on the road to healing, where you can forgive, you can let go, you can vent the feelings, you can share. And Al-Anon is all about healing you, not your loved one who's drinking or drugging. It's about getting you to detach with love from that person and set boundaries that are going to put you in a position to grow and be healthy and to take care of yourself. It's a good analogy I've heard over and over is that if you're on a plane with your child, a little baby, and the plane has a rough patch in the airbags, or rather the oxygen masks come down, you put yours on first. You don't rescue your child first, because if you pass out trying to rescue your child, you're both lost. But if you put yours on first, you can save both of you. So put your oxygen mask on first. This is Dr. Pete. Thank you very much.